Here's a geometry puzzle that looks simple but hides a really sneaky idea. You have a right triangle, and inside it you squeeze a square. The vertical distance is 5, the horizontal distance is 20. So what's the area of the square? The square sits in the corner of the right angle. Two of its sides lie along the legs of the triangle, and its top right corner just touches the hypotenuse. We're told this vertical distance is 5, and this horizontal distance is 20. Our mission? Find the area of that square. First, let's do the classic textbook solution. Call the side length of the square x. That means every side of the square is x, of course. Now, look at the small triangle up here at the top and the big right triangle. These two triangles have the same 3 angles, so they're similar. When triangles are similar, their side lengths are in the same ratio. So we can write the ratio. Base ratio equals height ratio equals x divided by 20 equals 5 divided by x. Cross-multiplying gives x squared equals 5 times 20 equals 100. But x squared is exactly the area of the square, so the area is 100. Nice, clean answer. But that felt a bit algebra heavy, right? Now let's solve the same problem with almost no algebra and a really satisfying picture. Start again with the right triangle. First, extend a line parallel to the bottom side of the triangle through the top of the square. Then extend a line parallel to the left side of the triangle through the right side of the square. Those two lines form a big rectangle. This rectangle is made from 2 congruent right triangles. If you fold it along the diagonal, the 2 halves match perfectly. That means the 2 triangles have the same area. Now, drop the square back into the bottom left corner of our original right triangle and extend its sides out again. Look at the 4 little corner triangles around the square. The top left 2 are congruent. They have the same base and height. The bottom right 2 are also congruent. So if we subtract matching triangles from the 2 big triangles, what's left over has to be equal in area. That means the area of the square is exactly the same as the area of the green rectangle. So what's the area of that rectangle? Its width is 20, its height is 5. Rectangle area is base times height, so that's 20 times 5 equals 100. And since the square's area equals the rectangle's area, the square's area is also 100. So without solving a single equation, we still get the same answer. The area of the square is 100. Geometry magic. If you liked that picture proof, drop your favorite geometry puzzle or shape idea in the comments below, and let's see what creative ideas we can come up with together.